Hello everyone, welcome to you my YouTube channel VBA Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on the channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get updated videos. So guys, in this video we will learn or we will talk about how to get total till selected month in the slideshow using a DAX function, right? So let's go to the Power BI. Right. So here we have, simply if I selected, now you can see that if I selected a January month, so you can see that I have the total of January. If I selected February, so I have the total of February. If I selected April, so I have a total of April and so on. But our requirement is to what? Our requirement is to get the total till selected month in the slicer. Let's say if I selected April, so what I want the total of April, including January, February, and March. If I selected May, so I want the totals of May, including January, February, March, and April, and so on, like that. So how would I do that? So simply, I have already written, just a measure to make this video short. So I'll simply explain to you what I have did, right? So in the first line, right, I have declared a variable name is select month. In the select month, I simply store the selected month in the from the slicer, right? And in the second line, I have declared a variable where I have stored the selected date right in the slicer. That's it, simple. And in the third line, I have declared a new month, right, where I have deduct or subtract a 1 from the selected month, right, from this variable, right. And here I have declared a one more variable that is start date. So this variable basically store the first month and first day of the selected year, right? So let's say here simply I have used a date function. In the date function, I use a year. In the year, I have simply passed the select date, and in the month, I have passed the select date and minus new month, right? Where I have subtract the one and simple I have passed the date one. So now once when I selected May, so it not returns a May 1st. It returns a 1st January, right? So now I have simply used a calculate function. In the calculate, I have simply count employee ID, and here I have used a date in period where I have made a range. So in that dates in period, I simply pass the higher date, and in the start date, I simply pass the start date, right? What I have made here. Start date basically start from 1st Jan, right? Of the selected year. And in the selected, in the interval, I have simply passed the selected month. Now you can see that here I have passed the selected month. What I have, just uh, that comes from the selected. If I selected May, so it simply return the May month. It simply return the number of May month, that is 5. So and in the I have simply written the month here. I have write the month here. So once I click on this OK, right? So now I drag this measure to the Y axis. So now what you will see that I have got the total till May month, including May. If I selected January, so now you can see that here I have the total of January. If I selected February, so it returns the January, February count. If I select the March, so it returns the January, February, March count, and so on. So guys, that's it. That's it for this video. If you have any concern, any doubt on this video, so write your comment in the comment box. I'll get back to you and then guys. So guys, thank you. Thanks for the watching.